equipment back. I should have just let you help me. Now the Super Ninjalinos are so strong that no one can stop them.
Especially all together.
That's it! The Ninjalinos are stronger when they're together, but so are we. It's time to be a hero, and I've got a plan.
I looked around like Gekko said and found this old broken skipping rope. You?
This broken bike, but that was it.
I've got this burst beach ball.
Come on!
That's it, Ninjalinos. Nice and cozy. Hey, Ninjalinos! There's still some sports gear you don't have.
Who want that old junk? You would? Oh well, go on then. It'll be easy now you're so super strong. You are strong, but not if we do this!
Now that there aren't so many of you, you're a lot weaker.
What?
Here comes some more, Gekko.
And now the last of them. Super Owl Wings!
Stop! Stop! With those trees holding you this time, you're not going anywhere. Super Gekko muscles!
Okay, Catboy, hold on to one of my feet. And when I shout fly, Gekko, you grab the other. Okay, here comes Supersonic Owlette. Ready, set, fly! Super Owl Wings!
Way to go, Owlette! I'm going to rule the world! From the ground and from the air! Robot, give me that thing!
One more minute.
Hand it over!
I am almost finished this level.
Catboy, you keep an eye on Romeo and Robot while I quietly fly Gekko to the PJ Picture player and drop him in.
Right! Then I deactivate the rocket in Super Gekko camouflage.
One more minute.
Okay, but turn the sound down. Super Gekko camouflage. What? Oh, I should have known this thing would be unreliable, because I didn't build it. Right, Robot? Oh, forget it. At least HQ will be destroyed once and for all. Let's go. What? No!
Enjoy the trip, Romeo. We'll keep your teleporter nice and safe here in HQ.
Huh?
Hurry! We've only got seconds.
We did it. HQ safe.
Oh, those PJ Pets make me so angry.
Robot wins.
Ah! I'll get you, PJ Masks!
I will catch you, Master.
PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
you want me to set you all free, tell me how to get into your HQ.
What? Never!
Huh? What? You got free!
That's right, Night Ninja. And you'll never take over HQ. Not with Catboy to stop you.
Oh, it was you who let that PJ Pussycat free, wasn't it?
Super Cat jump! Tag!
Oh, silly Ninjalinos. I'll stop these PJ Pests myself. Sticky splat, sticky splat, sticky splat. Look out! Oh, stop helping him, you tiny Ninjalino.
Super Cat speed! Gotcha! Ooh.
Oh, it's not fair! You PJ Masks always ruin all my plans. Catboy, what are you doing?
Helping. A hero helps anyone, even Night Ninja.
Oh, I suppose you're right, tiny Ninjalino. I should say thank you. Come on, Ninjalinos.
I guess this is goodbye. Huh?
Why are you patting me?
I think it wants to play. It's really good at tag.
Tag? Oh, think I can't catch you? Well, no one's better at tag than me. Ha ha! Gotcha! You're it.
That should keep Night Ninja and his Ninjalinos busy for a while. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Have my favorite book.
What? Grab it, robot!
You'll have to try harder than that.
Give me the book. Stop.
Come and get it.
Stop flapping. Stand still for 1 second.
Go, robot! Catch her!
You're it.
No, robot! Wait! Stop!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Woohoo!
Your flossy flash book did come in handy after all.
Wake up, you metal bozo!
Ouch. Thank you, Master. I feel much better.
Owlette's not your master. I am!
Owlette is a genius.
By my cat's whiskers, seems like falling over has made this robot smarter, Romeo.
Yeah. Nice one, robot. Now grab that villain and follow us.
Ah! Put me down!
Let's put these books back to normal.
Cool chameleons. It's my storybook.
I suppose this flossy flash book isn't so bad.
Romeo, you do like reading?
What? No!
Flossy Flash. Kick and crash.
You spoiled my plan this time, PJ Masks. But I'll be back!
Romeo, he's getting away.
I will catch him, PJ Masks.
What? Ah!
Go for it, robot. Now, we'd better fix these books. Yeah, so everyone gets to read their favorite stories again.
PJ Masks all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day! I'm Catboy!
I'm Owlette. I'm Gekko. And we're the PJ Masks.
PJ Masks will save the day.
With super cat speed, this cat is the fastest of the lot. Super gecko muscles work great in those sticky spots. Our lights will show them more than any eyes can see. With powers like these, they're the ultimate team.
Let's do it together.
When we work together, everything will be okay. With their heads together, PJ Masks will shout hooray!
It's time to be a hero.
When they work together, this team will surely find a way. When they trust each other, PJ Masks will save the day.
We save.
Purple. White. Yellow. Orange. Red. Yellow. Green. Blue. Pink. Red. Blue. Green. Yellow. White. Orange. Pink. Orange. Yellow.